Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make semi-sweet chocolate batons, form the basis for the traditional Pain Au Chocolat, a yeasted puff pastry dough wrapped around a stick of chocolate. In order to cook this recipe, we need the following ingredients. 1. Puff pastry, ready roll sheets. 2. 5 to 10 chocolate sticks, depending on whether you want 1 or 2 sticks inside each roll. 3. 1 large egg beaten with a pinch of salt. Cooking instructions. If pastry was in fridge, remove the pastry from the fridge about 20 minutes before cooking. To oven cook, preheat oven to 220-degree fan. Remove outer packaging and unroll the pastry with the baking paper. Shape and fill as desired with the chocolate sticks. As you're watching this, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. And brush the surface of the pastry without water or egg. Place on a baking tray in the center of the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Ensure food is piping hot and cooked throughout before serving. And that's it, our dish is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.